Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be profiling a very interesting company, Jet.AI Incorporated. As the name implies, this company operates a proprietary aviation platform that we're going to explore in today's video. Now, before we do, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel, specifically in getting this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We're nearly at 46,000 subscribers. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. And finally, let me know in the comments section below if you've heard of Jet.AI before, if you're currently holding shares, and your outlook on this sector entering 2025. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be providing an update on Jet.AI Incorporated, trades on the NASDAQ in the United States under the ticker JTAI. Now, as the name implies, this is an aviation-focused company that's harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create some really cool product offerings and platforms for their end users, which we're going to talk about in today's presentation. Now, before we get into the corporate website and investor deck, I wanted to take a quick look at the chart here. Fairly strong session for Jet.AI Incorporated, jumping up to 4.5% up on the session, currently trading hands just shy of 9 cents per share and a market cap just shy of $3 million US. Now, because this is our first time covering Jet.AI on the channel, I wanted to jump into the updated investor presentation, give you guys an about us on this organization, and then we'll move over to the corporate website. So Jet.AI is an aviation software company with a private jet charter and membership operation. Drawing from our own industry experience, we develop practical software solutions that address the challenges faced by our industry. Our range of current and upcoming products include a natural language-based charter booking smartphone app, a seat reservation system for private jet operators, sophisticated pricing and logistical tools, and a carbon crediting solution for sustainable aviation. With Jet.AI, customers and operators can streamline their processes, reduce environmental impact, and enhance their overall flight experience. So as you can see, a business with diversified exposure to the aviation industry, really harnessing software, artificial intelligence, and a number of key other verticals within this company's umbrella. Now, if we move over to the corporate website, Jet.AI, I'll leave this linked in the video description below as well. Under our mission, Jet.AI believes advances in machine learning and natural language processing in particular have the potential to radically change nearly every industry. Our mission is to bring those advances to the field of aviation safely and effectively. Now, this is a theme we cover extensively on the channel. We've looked at the impacts of AI, artificial intelligence, and high-performance computing extensively in relation to Bitcoin miners, biotech, and medical applications, so it's really no wonder why companies are now starting to look at AI applications for aviation as well. And below that, Jet.AI goes on to list 3 core competencies or points of differentiation between their competitors. So first and foremost is a wealth of industry knowledge, as we're going to look at extensively in today's presentation, cutting edge technology, leveraging generative AI, machine learning, and genetic algorithms, and of course an environmental commitment through optimizing fleets and creating technology that makes it easier to track carbon and purchase carbon credits or offsets towards your travel. Now, the company itself has a software solutions division and an aviations component or aviation division. We're going to start with the software solutions first because in my opinion, these really are the core differentiators for Jet.AI. The first of 3 is Reroute, which is a business-to-business intelligent fleet optimization software. They then have DynoFlight, again, business-to-business carbon crediting and tracking for aviation. Those together form the Jet.AI operator platform. And the third software solution is titled CharterGPT, which I've got to say, I love the name. This is a business-to-consumer AI-powered charter booking platform for individuals who want to book or obtain travel on one of these charter jets. Now, in terms of CharterGPT, again, powered by Jet.AI, there's really 3 key advantages here. The first is aircraft recommendation engine. Second would be natural language customer service, ensuring that patrons utilizing this platform experience top quality customer service. And then third would be predictive, destination airport, departure date, departure time, and ground transportation, really optimizing the flight for these customers. So very similar to how you'd operate an Uber or Airbnb, but instead of booking hotels or cars, you're now booking flights on chartered aircraft. Now, because of the back-end functionality that utilizes AI, they're able to automate what is traditionally a manual process of charter booking or charter brokerage. That includes things like payment reconciliation, contract reconciliation, and natural language outreach, as we just saw with the customer service. Now, obviously, these are of extreme benefit for customers booking these services, as private air travel definitely is expensive, and you want to ensure you're getting the best experience or value for that investment. Now, Reroute is the second software offering from Jet.AI, again offering 3 key benefits, including taking advantage of wasted empty leg seats and using these as an opportunity to book new charters by changing the destination. Reroute searches for published empty legs by partner operators and optimizes which aircraft to utilize for the requested city pair. And then finally, the potential for significant cost savings for consumer and incremental margin increases for the actual operators. So aggregating data to look for opportunities where there's wasted or empty legs that they can then consolidate, catering to a market of over 5,000 charter operators in the United States. Now, DynoFlight is a solution that's focused on credible carbon offsets. They are going to deliver certificates to offset the customer's travel, high-quality credits, and enable aviation operators to track carbon emission and transact carbon credits in small quantities, which is obviously more efficient for working capital. Again, taking advantage of big data and machine learning to improve the overall experience and optionality for customers. Now, from there, you've then got the Jet.AI Aviation division. This is a capital-light business aviation, more traditionally found in this type of industry. You've got aircraft or fraction sales of aircraft, jet card sales, on-fleet charter, onboard program, and buyer brokerage, offering a comprehensive solution to a wide array of customers from low-time charter flyers to high-time aircraft owners. So with that being said, we'll quickly go through each one of these divisions as well to get a better understanding of all the business units and revenue opportunities ahead of Jet.AI. Now, the first of 5 is aircraft sales. This could be fractional share of aircraft where people actually pool their money similar to a timeshare, or full aircraft sales themselves. They're also going to support pre-sale and pass-through milestone payments to the original equipment manufacturers or OEMs, and provide management and charter revenue offset post-delivery. Now, you'll see a note here. This is specifically where the team's extensive experience in the industry comes into play, and the connections with large business jet manufacturers, charter operators, and financial institutions that are key to make these deals work. Now, from there, you've got your jet card division or jet card sales. This is where you're going to sell time blocks or flight hours up front. Revenue comes in terms of hours that are being flown, and they currently offer jet cards for 30 different aircraft, again, catering to your price point and specific engine needs. Now, the third division within aviation is going to be on-fleet charter. This is where Jet.AI is actually going to rent aircrafts out by the hour and providing a charter revenue rebate to the owner of the aircraft. So again, facilitating and handling this from point to point on both sides of the transaction. Now, their fourth focal point within the aviation division is their onboard program. And as you can see, a number of options, including bringing aircraft to manage and charter, FAA conformity, and charter sales and jet cards on aircraft, again providing that white glove solution to current aircraft owners. Now finally, they offer a buyer's broker service. This is going to be an agency broker for jet buyers, allowing them to source, inspect, and negotiate for a potential purchase, not to mention introducing financing, legal, and closing support during the process as well. So in summary, you guys, you can see this is a well-diversified company, various different revenue streams, really on the forefront of AI and artificial intelligence within the aviation industry. They've put up $6.9 million in terms of revenue within the first 6 months of 2024, with 3 different business streams exceeding $1 million run rate. And again, given the time this presentation was put together, a market cap in the neighborhood of $4.3 million. So actually sub revenue that they saw in a 6-month period alone. Now, I'd be curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, specifically if you're already holding shares of Jet.AI or have ever used their services. In terms of investment highlights or recap here, you guys, opportunity for revenue in terms of private aviation, business to business, and business to consumer. They've got a non-binding letter of intent to acquire 5 new Challenger 3500 aircrafts from Bombardier, so growing their actual fleet, a capital-light approach to private aviation, which we talked about, seasoned industry management team with those experienced connections and track record in the aviation space, and as we like to talk about on this channel, substantial retail investor following really as a result of a crowdfunding initiative which raised over $17 million, representing 32,000 different retail investors. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We'd love to have you as part of the community. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.